Mastering everyday English. Replace the tires. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a practical phrase that's frequently used, especially among car owners. We're going to explore what it means to replace the tires. Whether you're navigating daily conversations or ensuring your vehicle is in top shape, understanding this phrase is essential. So let's get rolling. Replace the tires might seem straightforward, but it's packed with meaning. To replace something means to take it out and put a new one in its place. Tires are the round, rubber parts that fit around the wheels of a vehicle like a car or a bicycle, allowing it to move smoothly. So, when you replace the tires, you are taking off the old or worn-out tires from a vehicle and putting new ones on. It's crucial to know when to replace your tires for safety and efficiency. Here are some common signs. 1. Tread wear. If the grooves on your tires, known as treads, are worn down, it's time for a change. 2. Damage. Look out for cuts, bulges, or other damages on your tire's surface. 3. Age. Tires have a lifespan. Even if they look okay, aging tires can be a safety risk. 4. Performance issues. Feeling vibrations or the car not handling well can also indicate tire issues. Replacing tires isn't just about avoiding a flat tire. It's about safety and performance. Here's why it's crucial. 1. Safety. Good tires ensure better grip on the road, especially during harsh weather. 2. Fuel efficiency. Worn-out tires can increase fuel consumption. 3. Comfort. New tires can reduce road noise and ensure a smoother ride. While it's often done by professionals at a service center, knowing the basics can be helpful. 1. Choose the right tires. Ensure they match your vehicle's requirements. 2. Removing the old tires. Use tools like a jack and a lug wrench to safely remove the old tires. 3. Installing the new tires. Place the new tires on and secure them firmly with lug nuts. Understanding and correctly using the phrase, replace the tires, can be incredibly practical, especially for vehicle owners or those learning English for everyday use. Remember, it's not just about the language. It's about ensuring your safety on the road through proper vehicle maintenance. We hope this video helps you on your journey to mastering English, one phrase at a time. Drive safe and learn even safer.